Good morning, children. Namaskaram. Welcome to the third session of Class 5th English, Chapter 2 Wonderful Waste. So far now, we are able to conclude that waste can be wonderful, worthy, as we can earn money out of it. It creates opportunities for others, meaning to say, it creates job opportunities for others as well. People around the world have a great concern, and several organizations are working round the clock to curb or solve this problem. In our previous session, we did textbook exercises related to comprehension and grammar both. And we visited two parks built out of waste material. In this presentation, I would like to tell you a Santhal folk tale that is also given in your NCERT textbook, followed by reading comprehension about Aruna, Miss Fix-It. Later on, I will show you a video related to Kerala's rich culture and traditions. And in the end of my presentation, I will show you a feedback trailer from class 5th students related to poem Ice Cream Man. In every country of the world, there are stories which have been handed down from grandparents to grandchildren, or which have been sung to their babies. These stories are called folk tales and tell us about the customs and culture of place they live in. Santhal are the largest tribe in Jharkhand. Let's read a Santhal folk tale first and then watch a video. One day, the mother-in-law of a Santhal bridegroom cooked a special dish for him when he visited her. This curry is delicious. What is it? The mother-in-law pointed at the bamboo door. Next morning, just as he was about to leave, he remembered that there was no bamboo in his village. So he removed the bamboo door and carrying it with him, left for his home. On reaching his village, he told his wife, "Make curry with this bamboo door." She was shocked. "How can I make curry out of a bamboo door?" "Come, I will help you by chopping up the bamboo," he said. His wife boiled it and boiled it. Later, when her husband tasted it, he said, "It's too hard to eat. You don't know how to cook." His wife added more water and boiled it and boiled it. The in-laws came to visit the young couple that evening. They all laughed at his foolishness. The mother-in-law said, "Didn't you know the curry was made from bamboo shoot and not from a bamboo door?"
One day, the mother-in-law of a Santhal bridegroom cooked a special dish for him when he visited her. "This curry is delicious. What is it?" The mother-in-law pointed at the bamboo door. Next morning, just as he was about to leave, he remembered that there was no bamboo in his village. So he removed the bamboo door and carrying it with him, left for his home. On reaching his village, he told his wife, "Make curry with this bamboo door." She was shocked. "How can I make curry out of a bamboo door?" "Come, I'll help you by chopping up the bamboo," he said. His wife boiled it and boiled it. Later, when her husband tasted it, he said, "It's too hard to eat. You don't know how to cook." His wife added more water and boiled it and boiled it. The in-laws came to visit the young couple that evening. They all laughed at his foolishness. The mother-in-law said, "Didn't you know the curry was made from bamboo shoot and not from a bamboo door?"
Really, it was very funny. Have you ever heard of such incidences or stories? You can discuss about it in your class groups. This story is followed by two activities: complete the sentences meaningfully and word hunt. Let's try it. The bridegroom left with the door of his in-laws' house because it was made of blank and there was no bamboo in his blank. The bridegroom was unable to have bamboo curry in the end because blank. Now start with word hunt. Fill in the blanks with words from the story. The bridegroom went to visit his blank. Second part. The mother-in-law pointed blank the bamboo door. He stayed the night blank his in-laws. Fourth, he carried the blank back with him. The curry was made blank bamboo shoots. These fill in the blanks are very easy for you as we already read the story. Try this reading comprehension, which is somehow related to our chapter Wonderful Waste. Aruna is a curious little girl who loved breaking and fixing things. The neighbors began to call her Miss Fix-It. It is a good thing for children to see Aruna's curiosity and can learn from it too. Pause the video to read it and attempt simple questions after reading the comprehension. Now read with me. Ever since she was little, Aruna was curious about how things work. She loved breaking and fixing things to learn more about them. Radios, bicycles, clocks. Whatever she could see, Aruna had taken it apart. Sometimes she was able to put the things back together properly. Other times, they did not work when she was finished with them. Aruna's parents would be amused when they found her busy looking at gears, springs, and wires. They would bring her broken things from around the neighborhood. She would work on them and fix them. The neighbors began to call her Miss Fix-It. When Aruna got older, she went to an engineering college. Her lifelong love of exploring things helped her in studies. She studied very hard and graduated with excellent grades. Now, Aruna works as a toy designer. That makes her quite happy. When she has an idea for a new toy, she creates a design and builds a model in her laboratory. Aruna likes having a job that is fun and makes children happy. It is a good thing for children to see Aruna's curiosity. They can learn from it too. Read this passage again and write answers of very simple questions. First question, what was the little girl's name? Second question, what was her favorite job? Third, give a suitable title to this story. Fourth question, write the past form of these words. Go, find. Write the opposite of these words. Unable, sad. And speaking skills are important language skills to develop when learning English. By having strong listening skills, you will be able to understand everything that is happening around you. By having good speaking skills, you will be able to say everything you want to without any problem or hesitation, opening up the new world of communication both educationally and socially. Till now, you are listening to me, but now it's time for speaking. Drill these simple expressions at home in your routine life as we did the same in my previous presentation as well. You can ask your mother, Ma, are you thirsty? Should I bring a glass of water for you? You can tell your friend, your hat looks very nice. Your dress is very beautiful. You can ask your brother, where are you going? Wait a minute, I will also come with you. Hurry up, Papa, I am getting late for school. In your routine life, as much as listening is important, speaking is far more important. Discuss your ideas at school, at home, freely. Speak confidently and speak with clarity. Another word building activity for you children. Make new words by adding, dropping a few letters from the root word. Some are done for you. Let's begin with the first word, pound. Add ed, pounded. Add ing, pounding. Second word, try. It ends with alphabet Y, so when we add ed, it will be tried, tried, tried. Third word, large. Add er, larger. Add est, largest. That is also a degree of comparison. Large, larger, largest. Similarly, fourth word, new. Add er, newer. Add est, newest. Fifth word, tasty. It also ends with alphabet Y. So, tasted, tasting, tastier, tastiest. Next word, wise. Wiser, wisest. Stare, stared, staring. Clean, cleaned, cleaning. Drop the E rule is very useful rule, but like all rules, there are exceptions. Another example, use. use that ends with E. When we add ing, the spelling will be using, using, user, user, usable, usable. Another example, write. write. We will drop E. When we add ing, er, able, the spelling of new word will be writing, writer, writable, and so on. If the letter before a final Y is a vowel, then Y does not change when you add a suffix. Example, play, play. The alphabet before Y is a vowel, A. When we add ed, it will be played, played. But if the letter before a final Y is a consonant, then Y changes to I when you add a suffix. Example, pay, pay. Add ed, it will be paid, paid. One more example, carry. Add er, the new word will be carrier, carrier. The upcoming video gives you an idea that India is a diverse country. Here we are talking of only one state, imagine the diverse culture of 28 states and 8 union territories. We should be proud of it. Watch this video and let's explore the language, folk dances, traditional food, festivals, dresses of Kerala. This will help you in your EVS subject also. You can write your answers in the space given in the slide.
കളിയാടും നാടേ നിൻ തുഞ്ചത്ത് മുത്തോളം മുകിലോളം മലയാളം പാടും നിൻ തീരം മൈലാഞ്ചി പാട്ടിൻ അഴകൊടു കൂട്ടുകൂടും നേരം നല്ലോണം നമ്മൾ കോണം മലയാളം പാടും നിൻ തീരത്ത് രുചികൾ പടരും മരുതപ്പാട്ടിൻ നീട്ടുകൾ മൂളിത്താ മുട്ടാളം മുടിതാളം കളിയാടും നാടേ നിൻ തുഞ്ചത്ത് മുത്തോളം മുകിലോളം മലയാളം പാടും നിൻ തീരത്ത്
In the end of this session, we are able to minimize the waste just like the Maharaja of Travancore did. We can change waste into wonderful, worthy, and wishful to be demanded by others. Help others in our society who are really in need of clothes, food, etc. Appreciate the diverse culture and food of India. Communicate with others using simple expressions confidently. Let's wrap up this session by watching a feedback video from the poem Ice Cream Man that I received from my very own 5th class. It will motivate you to some extent. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Karshish Sharma of class 5th reciting a poem. The title of my poem is Ice Cream Man. When summer in the city and brings a blaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. Beneath his round
umbrella, oh what a joyful sight to see him fill the coast with mounds of cooling brown and white, vanilla, chocolate, strawberry or tea.